Welcome to the instructions video for the Annual Worth Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you convert complex cash flows from investments and projects into equivalent uniform annual amounts, making it easy to compare different investment alternatives on an annual basis. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key values. Start by inputting your initial investment or first cost in the designated field. Next, enter your annual operating and maintenance costs. If your project has a salvage value at the end of its life, include that amount as well. Specify the project life in years and enter your interest rate or minimum attractive rate of return as a percentage. You can also add any additional cash flows that occur during the project. Once all values are entered, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display your equivalent annual worth, showing whether your project generates a positive or negative annual equivalent value. A positive annual worth indicates a profitable investment that exceeds your required rate of return. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.